Let's protect personal data. Our personal data, name, address, photos, identifiers, which allow to identify us, are everywhere, on social media, on administrative and commercial websites. These data can be misused, even in apparently insignificant situations, and can harm their owner. Identity theft, fraud, dismissal from job, violation of privacy, spam, or access to medical records. This is why personal data processing is regulated by law, and it's important to be attentive to it. A person communicating data must be informed of who the recipients are and how the data will be used, especially if processing takes place outside the European Union, where laws often provide less protection. The person collecting the data, called the controller, as well as his or her staff and contractors, must respect certain obligations. Do not collect data without a person's knowledge. Only process data for clear and precise purposes authorized by law, and inform the data subject of such purposes. Limit the data processed to the strictly necessary and delete them after processing. Ensure that data remain confidential from collection through to destruction by taking strong and appropriate security measures. Do not transmit data to third parties, especially outside the European Union, unless allowed by law. Do not use data for purposes other than those stated to the data subject, unless the latter freely consents to such use. The DPO, Data Protection Officer, is appointed by the controller to facilitate compliance with legal obligations and raise the staff's awareness of respect for privacy. The DPO takes part in analysing the processing operations, checks that they comply with the law, and alerts the controller in case of breach. The DPO is also the primary contact for data subjects who want to exercise their rights and, in particular, access and rectify their data. To ensure compliance with the law, an administrative authority, the National Commission for Data Protection, or CNPD, monitors controllers and the legality of data processing operations. The CNPD can intervene on its own initiative or following a complaint. If necessary, it can issue a ban on illegal processing operations, issue fines, and compel the controller to comply with its obligations. All of us, at every level, must play a role in data protection to safeguard our fundamental right to privacy.